What's he yelling about? We got another one?
Yes.
Right, go, double down.
Doubled up, guys. We're doubled up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Stay on. Stay on. All right, gang. We are hooked up. First fish of the day. Welcome back to the channel. Me and the one in the bright green shirt came to the beach today and almost turned around and went home because it is wild and crazy. But we are hooked up on the first fish. If you guys like this kind of content, do me a favor, smash that like button while Julia fights this fish. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Pardon me, guys. Start working back a little bit. She said it felt pompy. I'm saying it's a big redfish.
No, it's a pomp.
Oh, it is a pomp. It is a pomp. Here he comes, guys. Here he comes. Oh, big stud pompano. Keep pulling him. Keep pulling him. Keep pulling him. Big stud pompano. Holy cow, gang. Let's get after it. He's gonna push.
There we go.
15 and a half, I bet.
That's exciting.
Heck yeah.
Show them how crazy the water is.
Yeah, I showed him while you were reeling. Like, I don't know, 3 to 4 footers, I would say. But we got a fish. I will take it. All right, guys. Well, Julie gets this fish undone.
Tell them what it came on.
It came on a Bruno rig on a top drop. Had a
shrimp.
ghost shrimp and a sand flea fish bite.
Ooh.
And I don't know for sure, but
We'll get him measured up.
he's a big one. As you can see, we didn't walk very far. There's
Not
my
at
truck
all.
in the background.
We weren't sure we were going to stay, that's
Yeah,
why. I
well.
mean, it is wild out. Our fours are not holding.
Yeah, we're having trouble with the fours, but hopefully we're gonna get on a few fish.
Oh, let's get him measured up.
You're on this side.
Beautiful.
It's a great fish. Almost stepped on a Sputnik. I already dropped them on my foot and then I almost stepped on one.
You can't have feet problems too, bro. All right, 0 to the fork, 15 and a half.
15 and a half, y'all. There we go.
We gotta take him in, right?
Yeah, we gotta go get that guy weighed.
All right, I'm gonna throw him in the cooler.
We're gonna get him in the box. We're gonna rebait.
Come on. Slimy
She wants
slap.
slimy slap since I was clean, outside of ghost shrimp. We're gonna get after a few more.
Oh, that was a big hit. Still on there. Do I have that bird? Oh no. Do I have that pelican? I have the pelican. Go grab the towel.
Sorry, little update. Julia's hooked a pelican. Well, I shouldn't say she hooked. He flew through the line. So she's trying to get him to the beach. And I will put a towel on him and do the best I can.
Poor baby, come on. Come here. Aw. Come here, I'll help you out. I'm sorry. Come here, dude. Don't cross the other lines. Come here, fly this way. Come here, Mr. Pelican. Come on. Over.
I think he swam through the boat.
He what? Come here, dude.
Stop, dude, stop. jacket.
I got it, I got it.
Got it?
Yep. Hi. Happens. You gotta cover his face. I know, baby. Go from behind. There he goes. That's on the plate.
Yeah, just hold on, buddy. Just cut it. Here, just cut it. There we go.
Is he good?
Ooh, that's cold. All right, brother, you ready? There you go. You're good.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome. I was like, I saw you coming in when we were down here, and so I thought you had something.
It happened.
You're over this one. Holy cow, gang. Sorry, we were doing a bait swap. It's so rough. Stop, 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 stop. Sorry, guys. I have no voice. Well, we just caught a Pompano. Oh. Well, how's that for the worst camera work ever that you guys have ever seen in your life?
Well, let's be honest. I didn't even know I had a fish on there. I went to reel it in to check baits. My line was crossed 3 poles. That's what happened there. So it's not bad camera work.
Hey.
It's just really rough waters, and we never saw the bite.
Huh? It's a good fish.
So he came on my rig. It is a single drop, and that's what, the green crush 'em?
So she tried.
I
So
tried.
she put 2 beads on. She got a green get 'em big and an orange crush 'em bead. The 4-ounce thinker
I
guy
was
weight.
close.
You were close. Let's get him in the cooler.
All right, I'm happy about this fish. I was just complaining to Brent that it should be so much warmer and nicer out, and then maybe we should go home.
I doubt that's gonna happen now, guys.
Probably not. Yeah, he is 12 to the fork,
you go.
so definitely a keeper.
For number 2. I left to go grab some food, and Julia's hooked up down the beach. I'll get you there as quick as I can. Sorry, y'all. It's not looking like a pomp. It's too big to be a pomp. Nice and easy.
Am I over or under?
I think you're over.
Coming. Whatever it is big and lots of fishing. Run to see the fish. What's he yelling about? We got another one?
Yes.
Right, go, double down.
Doubled up, guys. We're doubled up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Stay on. Stay on. He's on, guys. Whew, I'm out of breath, y'all. No idea what Julie got.
All right, you guys, Brent just got hit. The guy down the beach, it is a pomp. Come on, baby. Oh my God, it's not a pomp. Well, that sucks. That is a big old sail cat. Not good.
Is that sail cat?
I had a sail cat. You're fighting zombie, I hope?
Oh.
No. Maybe you got a big redfish. How's it leaking right now? Up and over. Is it almost in? Oh my goodness. No good. Reel some up. Well, doesn't that stink, y'all? Sail cat. A sail cat type of catfish.
It's a sail cat. It's a sail catfish.
What was that? Yeah, no one eats the sail. Well, some people do. We don't choose to eat the sail cats. There's much better fish in the Gulf.
Wow, that's cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Y'all been able to get any pompano?
Oh yeah. Look down the beach, and this local's hooked up. He's saying it's fighting like a redfish though. Was it on ghost shrimp?
Yes. Yes, it's on the shrimp.
That's a big one. Whatever you got is big.
Come up for a little bit.
Oh, he's getting in. Hit hard.
See him in the waves?
I haven't seen him yet. Oh, it's a red. It's a nice one. Come here, dude. Almost lost him. Nice job.
Thank you.
Woo.
That's a big one.
That's a good red. Pretty colors on them. Nice job. You got a measuring stick?
Yeah, so much. That sound good.
Oh, he's well over.
He's 34 inches long.
Nice job, Steve.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish. All right. There he goes. He's swimming. Way to fight that fish. Good job.
Thank you.
What are you running?
Guys. I caught a fish.
Oh my gosh.
I caught a
Brad.
flounder in the sand flea rig.
Get out of here. Go put him back in the water. Show off.
Come on, be a pompano.
Huh?
I said be a pompano.
A lot of shaking. I don't know. Maybe it's a cat.
It hit like what you just said, but I didn't want to jinx it. Still on there, right?
Yeah, it's on there.
He's coming straight in, which is not a good sign. Oh, he's tugging at you though.
Yeah. I feel like it might be a film.
It's getting close, guys. At north wind, I throw these forever, so it takes a minute to get them to the beach. See him splashing. Dang it.
Until next time, y'all, keep it real.